High above the rainforest, you can see why Arenal Hills is one of the most breathtaking places to call home. And right at the center of it all is Club Cabana, the community's hub for relaxation, connection, and entertainment. Here you'll find a stunning 1,300 square foot infinity edge pool, perfect for soaking in the views and spending time with family and friends. Order your favorite drink and let our staff bring it right to your poolside chair. Or swim right up to the bar and enjoy a cocktail without ever leaving the water. When you're ready to explore, Club Cabana connects you with nature through guided tours, yoga classes, and cultural experiences like flower arranging and Spanish lessons. This is where life feels easy, where every day is filled with beauty, and where neighbors become friends. Welcome to Club Cabana at Arenal Hills.